four types of cloud, but you see a lot people talking about hybrid cloud. And then, if some people say hybrid cloud is the combination of two clouds. So if I'm working on Azure and if I'm working on AWS, that's my hybrid cloud. No, you are wrong. And this is where I want you guys to get yourself correct, because this is erroneously used to represent two public cloud, but that's not the right thing. Hybrid cloud is, you have a cloud which is on-prem and which is a public cloud, right? On-prem cloud or public cloud. And then you should also have public cloud. So when you have a combination of private cloud and the public cloud, then you can say, okay, we have a hybrid cloud environment. Otherwise, that's not a hybrid cloud environment, right? And I'm gonna give you all the pointers. Then if it's not a hybrid cloud, then what it is, right? So this is the hybrid cloud. And we know we can't just say anything cloud. Cloud has to have those 5 characteristics. Then only it qualifies as a cloud. You've seen the definition by the NIST. I didn't give you the formal definition, but I broken it down, right? Because that's what you need for your understanding. You can always go and read the white paper, which is published by the NIST, the National Institute of Technology and Standards, and you can see the formal definition. The whole point here was that you get a better understanding, better sense of, what are those 5 characteristics. And I hope you were able to understand all of those. So I'm just going to put this. This is your hybrid cloud. And then what we have is hybrid environment. Hybrid environment. And I'm going to give it a different color. So in case of hybrid environment, what's happened is that you have on-prem data center. Now, this is not a cloud right now. This is also on-prem, but this is on-prem cloud, but this is not your on-prem cloud. And then you can have public or private, you can have public cloud, or you can have the private cloud. That's that's your hybrid. This is your hybrid environment. This is not a public cloud, or this is not a hybrid cloud, right? So I just want you to get your fact right, and you start putting the right term at the right places, right? Instead of just erroneously using anything that just comes in your head, just throw it out. Don't do that, right? And then you have something called multi-cloud, right? And this is where your public clouds comes into picture, right? So this is where you can have one AWS, and you can have one, any other cloud. And that would be, you can have two cloud or two CSP, I should rather say. And we'll see the difference between CSP and the cloud platforms, right? So this is what you have to, and you have to have the understanding. So these are the definition of the hybrid cloud, hybrid environment, and multi-cloud. So you want to get your facts straight. You want to make sure that you are pronouncing, or you are putting the right term at the right places, not just using without knowing the essence of what you are using, right? So I just get it right.